Welcome. If you want to use Instagram on your HUAWEI P40 Lite, the first thing is just to open that application that we are going to use with transferring the application, right? So open on the both smartphones phone clone, and right now we have to choose the old phone on the smartphone that has access to the Google services. So in our case, this is HUAWEI P30 Pro, and just click on this is the old phone here, and the new phone on the P40 Lite. Choose the HUAWEI because our second smartphone is also the HUAWEI, and now they are connecting. And just click on this marker to unselect all things and move to the apps and data. Scroll down and choose the Instagram. Click on OK, transfer. Now draw your lock screen password. In my case, it is the pattern. Okay, and as you can see, the transfer is finished. And right now we can open the Instagram. And I can even log in to the existing account just to show you that it really works. So let me do this. Oh, sorry, I just input the incorrect password. Okay, and right now, as you can see, it is our Instagram account, the HardReset. Of course, it will be really cool if you click on the follow button here and like some photos. And yeah, this is how it works on the HUAWEI P40 Lite and the Instagram application. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.